Select all the foliated metamorphic rocks. Foliation is a banding appearance. Right? It can either be by color. This is gneiss right here. And all these rocks are sandstone, shale, slate, conglomerate. They're in the same order as they are up here at the top. We got gneiss, marble, schist, and limestone. So this is nice. Foliation can be either the banding of the colors of the minerals in the grain, like this gneiss down here. We see the alternating dark and light bands in here. This is a metamorphic rock. It used to be granite, which has all the different colors in there. But when you apply heat and pressure to it, the minerals start to align themselves in these dark and light colored bands. So this is called foliation. Another way that you can have foliation is by the layering of the texture other than just the color. For instance, if I look over here, this schist, okay, or this slate right here, you see how the lines of the foliation where the mud lays down flat, that's called foliation. Okay, the schist down here, same thing. This looks similar to the colors, but if you have, in fact, we have a piece of schist in our classroom in the back, mica schist. You can go and look at it. It does have these layers in there, and it's not just colors. It's more like slate, where it's actually layered in there, and it's like a stair-step pattern. All right. The other ones we got to be careful with. Sandstone. Well, first off, sandstone is not a metamorphic rock at all. Quartzite would be, which if I took the sandstone and added heat and pressure to it, could become quartzite. And then shale. Well, don't get shale and slate mixed up. Shale is a sedimentary rock. It'll become slate, and we can see they actually call this laminations in sedimentary rocks. But this will become the foliations you see later if you add heat and pressure to it. Shale is like the piece that we have in the classroom. It falls apart very easily. Slate is pretty rugged. It's been compressed together, and it's like your countertops of the desks that we have. So slate would be a foliated metamorphic rock. Shale is not even a metamorphic rock. And then conglomerate, this is sedimentary rock. This would be a clastic sedimentary rock as well. Gneiss, we've already talked about the foliation is it. Marble is metamorphic. Marble is if I take limestone and apply heat pressure, but there's no banding in it at all. There's no color banding, parallel lines. There's no textural banding going on. And then schist. Schist is actually if you take slate and add even more heat and pressure to it. Slate would be a low-grade metamorphic rock, and then schist is a high-grade metamorphic rock. So it's the same stuff. You add heat and pressure to it, it just becomes a higher and higher grade metamorphic, but it keeps that same banding in there just like slate does. And then, of course, limestone. Limestone is a chemical sedimentary rock. It's not a metamorphic rock.